In this video, I will guide you on how to check which apps are using internet on Windows. The first method is using the Task Manager. For that, open Task Manager. Now you want to look for the network column. Here it's going to show you real-time internet usage for each app. You can click the column to sort apps by highest usage. Now the second method is to use Resource Monitor. For that, click on the search bar and search Resource Monitor. Now you want to go to the Network tab. Here you're going to find the detailed upload-download activity, which apps are sending or receiving data, and background network usage. Finally, for the next method, you want to open settings on your device. Now go to Network and Internet. Here click on Data Usage. Total internet usage over the last 30 days will be shown over here, and data usage will be breakdown by apps. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.